This is the EWA T200 Bluetooth earbuds. I have reviewed their A106 tiny speakers a while back, which is absolutely amazing for something that small. And now they just released these Bluetooth earbuds with around 90 hours of playback time, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C charging. And today, let's check it out. As we can see, the design of the box is pretty simple. We got a picture of these earbuds, and on the back of the box we can see some key features. T200 supports auto pairing, it has up to 90 hours of battery life, it is rated as IP67 waterproof, also with Bluetooth 5.0 and some other specs down here. As we open the box, we are immediately greeted with this user's manual, and it is printed in 3 different languages. Underneath you have the warranty card, and if you have any problem with the product, you can also find their service email address down here. The last information card is a pairing guide. It's nice to see a quick start guide included in this package. The charging case and the earbuds are all in this cutout. And as we lift everything out, we can also see some accessories underneath. Here's a USB-C charging cable, and here's 4 extra sets of ear tips in different sizes. And there's nothing else in the box. Taking a closer look at the charging case and the earbuds, we can see the charging case is entirely made out of metal. On the side of the charging case, you can see a charging LED indicator, along with a USB-C charging port. We can open the case by just sliding the cover like that, and these earbuds are held down by magnets inside of this case. These earbuds have this water drop design. Here's a conceal multifunction button under here, and on the top we have a LED status indicator. On the back of the earbuds we can see 3 conductive charging points, and underneath we can see a microphone hole. Most of the earbud is covered by this rubber sleeve, along with a support hook, so these can stay pretty secure in your ears. The other earbud is identical to the one that I just showed you. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the EWA T200 Bluetooth earbuds, where I give my pros and cons. And let's start with pros. The build quality of this thing feels really substantial. Looking at the product page, I was originally assumed the charging case would be just a typical plastic case. Not true, this T200 case has full aluminum construction. The sliding door feels extremely robust and springy. You can even see the hinge is made out of metal. The whole thing in my hand feels really solid and heavy. The right side earbud is the master earbud. However, if you do want to only use one earbud, you can use either the left one or the right one. Both earbuds can be paired to your phone individually without any problems. When you do want to utilize both later on, you can just simply turn both on and they will automatically pair to each other almost instantly. If you only use these earbuds a couple hours a day, you don't even need to bother charging this case every week. It will last about a month. Plus USB Type-C is featured on this model, so it's also future-proofed. Using the latest Bluetooth 5.0 chip, the T200 earbuds have minimum audio delay, so you can enjoy both video and audio with these earbuds without noticeable synchronizing issue. The multifunction button works quite well on these earbuds. With only one button on either side, you have control over almost everything besides volume and skip sounds backwards. All other commands can be performed using different combinations of clicks. Things like powering on and off, play pause, skip to the next song, handling calls, and entering pairing mode. Equipped with large 13mm drivers, sound signature of the T200 is overall pretty satisfying with low compression. Bass and trebles are boosted. This gives you sparkly clear highs with deep punchy lows. Great for pop genre and upbeat dance music. And here's also one con. The default installed memory foam tips do not fit my ears correctly. No matter what I do, squeeze them or adjust them, they just don't go in my ear canals very easily. Good news is that you still have 4 extra sets of conventional silicone ear tips to choose from. To me, the medium-large tips fits nice and snug, so if you have issues with the memory foam tips, just use the silicone ones. I honestly think they'll work better anyway, but I do appreciate they include all these available options in the box. Overall, the EWA T200 sounds pretty good. It is also equipped with latest technologies, and again is a one solid build product. If you need more information of the T200, click the link in the description box down below. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.